Lovely paintwork on the bonnet. Straight away, airbox is not connected very well. Battery, we've already removed that to charge. So we're diagnosing supposedly knocking noise coming from the engine. Right, ready for this? If you've got a mouthful of tea, swallow it quickly now. Look at the fucking state of that. Rather than putting another mount in, or spending literally about tenner on another mount, they've decided to bodge a mount themselves. And look at this. Isn't even doing anything. Unbelievable. I don't know how the guy managed to drive around without the bottom, without the engine falling out of this. So yeah, there's your bit of laughter for a Thursday morning. Hope that cheered you up if you're having a down day. Good luck, be good, I'll speak to you soon. Ta-da.